Hello everyone, my name Wayan Suparta. I am now a professor at Faculty of Engineering, Naresuan University, Thailand. I specialize in data science, embedded system, remote sensing, and climate-related application. I have involved in wide range of projects involving drone development, study climate change in Antarctic region for one more decade, and also now in Naresuan University I developed my drone like this for pollution monitoring. So I have also teaching for more than 30 years with teaching subject across 50 courses in electrical engineering, informatics, computer science, and physics. I love in teaching and research and also doing publication. Now my publication in Scopus is more than 200 articles in reputable journal, and my currently his index in Scopus is 17.